mechanic with 35 years fixing trucks. Over 6,000 Silverados went through his hands, and he told me something that made me smile. When I see someone driving a 2007 to 2013 Silverado, I know that person is smart. Stay till the end because I'm going to show you why you, who own a GMT 900, made the smartest choice, and why mechanics wish they had one. If you drive a 2007 to 2013, subscribe now and comment GMT 900 Pride with your year and mileage. Let's celebrate together. Let's go. First reason, you bought engineering at its peak. The mechanic explained, 2007 to 2013 was when GM was at the top. No pressure to cut costs, no rush to change. He showed me a 2009 chassis. See the structure? That's thick steel. New ones don't have this anymore. 5.3-liter V8 engine, tested 6-speed transmission, robust suspension. They built it to last 500,000 miles, he told me, not to last until warranty ends. And the numbers prove it. He services customers with 2007s that have 400,000 miles, original engine, original transmission. If you have a GMT 900, you have GM engineering at its peak. Simple as that. Second reason, you chose simplicity. The 2007 to 2013 is the last generation before GM went crazy with technology. No problematic AFM in early years, no complicated 8-speed transmission, no excessive electronics breaking down. He told me, customer of mine has a 2012. Know how many times the computer failed? 0. Because there's almost no computer. Compare with new ones, sensors for everything. Modules costing $2,000. Problems mechanics can't even diagnose. He told me, your 2007 to 2013 I fix with a wrench. New ones, I need a laptop and prayers. You chose the last honest truck. No nonsense, just work. Third reason, you bought something that's appreciating. He showed me something fascinating. Used GMT 900 prices went up in the last 3 years. Why? Because smart people realized new ones are problematic. GMT 900 is solid. He told me, I have a customer who bought a 2011 for $18,000 in 2020. Today, it's worth $24,000. Used it for 5 years and made money. That doesn't happen with trucks, but GMT 900 is the exception. Dealerships are looking for GMT 900s in good condition. Hard to find because owners don't want to sell. If you have one, you didn't buy depreciation, you bought an asset. If you're proud of your GMT 900, drop a like now. Still got 3 reasons that'll make you even happier. Fourth reason, you chose long-term economy. GMT 900 maintenance is cheap. Parts are abundant. Any mechanic can work on it. Oil change, $60. Brake pads, $150. Battery, $120. Now, take a 2021. Oil change, $90. Pads with sensors, $400. Special battery, $250. Customer of mine spent $4,000 in 10 years with his 2008. Another spent $4,000 in 2 years with his 2020. You didn't just buy a reliable truck, you bought an economical truck. Fifth reason, you're part of a community. GMT 900 owners are different, he told me. They help each other, share tips, take pride. Online forums full of information, videos teaching maintenance, groups where owners celebrate high mileage. You didn't just buy a truck, you joined a club. And this club is full of smart people who value quality over novelty. He told me, my happiest customer, guy with a 2013 and 280,000 miles. He knows he made the right choice, and every day the truck proves it. If you drive a GMT 900, you're not alone. You're part of the smart ones. Sixth reason, your decision gets better with time. You know what's funny? The mechanic asked me, the more years pass, the more right you were. 2015 onwards started showing problems. 2020 onwards got even worse. Meanwhile, your 2007 to 2013 keeps running. Strong, steady, reliable. He told me, I see people who bought 2022 brand new envious of those with used 2011 because the 2011 doesn't break down. Every year that passes, you realize it wasn't luck, it was intelligence. You didn't follow trends, you followed logic. And today, looking back, you know it was the best decision you could have made. So, if you own a 2007 to 2013 Silverado, you bought engineering at its peak. You chose reliable simplicity, you invested in appreciating asset, you save on maintenance, you're part of a strong community, and your decision ages like wine. You weren't lucky, you were smart. Now tell me, what's your year and what's your mileage? Comment GMT 900 Pride and celebrate with us. If you know someone with a 2007 to 2013, share this video. Let's strengthen our community. Like if you're proud of your choice. And next week, why GMT 900 will last until 2040. You did right. Be proud of it. See you next time, GMT 900 family.